Hi, my name's Jake, and today I'm going to be showing you how to connect to a remote server from Minecraft Bedrock Edition on the PS4. This isn't directly supported by Mojang on version 1.16.20, which was released today, August 12th, 2020. This is the PC version of Minecraft Bedrock I'm currently running, and under the Servers tab, you can see that the list is fully populated by various servers available on this edition. To get started, we can go ahead and open up a Google browser and go to github.com/jhead/phantom. We can then go ahead and click on code and download zip, as well as scroll down just a ways and click on download phantom from the releases page. We're going to want to download version 0.1.1, which is near the bottom of this page. We can then click on phantom.exe, and both of those downloads are now complete. In your File Explorer, if you open up your downloads, we can go ahead and copy both of these files and paste them to our desktop. We can then go to our desktop and see that we have both the Phantom and the zip file. We're going to want to extract all and extract those directly to the desktop here as well. You're then going to need to get a remote server list IP address and port number. The port number is going to be specific to the private server address that you're going to be connecting to, and this is going to be that private server we're going to be able to connect to today. Go ahead and open up a command prompt and drag phantom.exe into that command prompt and enter a space. And then we're going to need to enter in this remote server list IP address here. So that's 104.238.130.180. We're then going to want to insert a colon and then type in this port number here, which is 19132, and then you can go ahead and hit enter. After a few lines of code here, you can see it starts a ping handler and an idle connection handler, and as soon as I boot up my PS4, this is going to start populating with various pings. Alright, I have now booted up Minecraft Bedrock Edition on my PS4. You can notice in the bottom right corner we are still on version 1.16.20. We're going to want to make sure that in settings and on the profile that we are signed into a Microsoft account. If we're not, you can easily log in following the prompts given. Once that's completed, we can go ahead and select play, and under the servers list we can notice how it's nearly empty, simply containing a note saying coming soon. Under the Friends tab, we can now see that remote server that we had set up on our PC with that server address we had entered into the command prompt. Go ahead and connect to this server, and your connection time may vary depending on your own internet speeds. Once connected, we can notice how there's several default servers that we could play on, but instead today we're going to connect to a server. Under the server IP address, you can enter in the specific address of the server you want to play on. I'm going to be playing on a server called Pixel Orbis, which is hosted by heavynode.net. And then that server port's already auto-filled from when we had entered it earlier. And then we're going to add the server list so we don't have to enter this in every time we try to connect. Go ahead and submit. And you may run into a few errors on this loading screen here, but with a little bit of persistence and patience, you should be able to connect to the server. Looks like we got in pretty quick. You can see that I'm now online. It looks like there's a few others online as well, and the game's incredibly responsive.